Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing permanent residence applications here in Thailand. We're specifically discussing this here at the beginning of 2021, and I get a lot of calls with respect to permanent residence when we do our videos and we make our announcements regarding the permanent residence window opening. And oftentimes, in some cases, you really don't want to wait that long. If you think you're eligible for permanent residence, it's a good idea to ascertain whether or not that actually would be the case under the prevailing rules, and then go ahead and start working on it sooner rather than later. So for example, if you're looking to process your permanent residence application at the end of 2021, which presumably, for example, back in 2019, they opened the permanent residence window way early compared to most years. They did it in the middle of the summer. This past year, I think it happened in October, if I'm not mistaken, and that's quite a bit earlier than we usually used to see it. In some years, they wait until the last possible second in December and open it with just like 2 weeks in order to get on file. What you need to look at this, though, from the standpoint of is, okay, you need to be preparing for it before the window even opens. So the opening of the window should not be sort of the starter gun of when you should be compiling your documentation. You need to ascertain whether or not you're actually eligible to file under the rules, and then you need to, in my opinion, go ahead, if you're going to file in a given year, it's best to get started working on it sooner rather than later. Now, one may look at the process and say, wow, this is really hurry up and wait, but better to be hurry up and wait, better to have your things in order and then waiting around for example, the window to open, rather than not having everything in order, the window opens, and then you're scrambling around. And in some cases, we've been unable to get things on file within that given calendar year, and you have to wait around until the next calendar year to get something filed. So long story short, in the thrust of this video, if, for example, in 2021, you're looking to go ahead and file your PR, better to do that earlier rather than later. And this is a good general piece of advice. If you're looking to file in any given year, don't wait for the window to open. Start getting your ducks in a row sooner rather than later.